Subsector 2003 Reacts here, and tonight actually, and I'm the leader of Confrontation Nation, and today I'm doing a reaction video called Playing Dirty Loud Noises Prank on Sleeping Grandma. This is by Angry Grandma, and hope you check out Angry Grandma, and the link will be in my description, I promise. And, let's react. And, guys, I might have to skip through some parts, and, let's get to the reaction. Oh! Noisy! Oh! That busted my ears. That woke me up. It really did, actually. Yeah! Yeah, what the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
I know, right, Granny? That busted my ears. That got me pretty good, guys.
5
minutes later. Dirty. What the hell? That sounded of Jake taking a crap or something? What the heck? That's only Jake. What the hell? That's only Jake taking a crap or something. Don't worry, guys. I am in the shot. I'm in the shot.
Jake! Get your ass in here now! You motherfucker!
That does sound like Jake taking a crap. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat the living hell out of you. God damn you. Put that shit on the damn fucking well. I can't get it off my fucking TV. Get your ass in here now. Can't even take
What?
or nothing else. That he's all time of doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something. This damn time I'm gonna find me something. And Jake!
What?
I'm gonna beat the motherfucking hell out of you. Put that goddamn shit on my damn TV, and I'm trying to sleep. Can't even fucking sleep around you.
What?
I'll beat the living hell out of you.
What are you even
I
talking?
don't listen to that shit, and I don't watch that fucking shit. So you keep your fucking ass out of my room.
Granny, I had not a clue on what you're talking
I'll
about.
put a fucking lock on my fucking door.
That's
I
one
don't
thing.
know what you're talking about.
Get in here and you can hear the flapping jack-off sounds.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Yeah, you probably turned it off, you motherfucker. You know how to do it without coming in the fucking room. You know how to get shit going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right.
Granny, I love you, but you're going senile. Oh!
Dang.
I'll beat his fucking brains out.
You've lost it. You lost your mind.
I'll beat the hell out of you. You open that door, you motherfucker. You open that door and I'm gonna crack you with a handle. I ain't gonna hit you with the other end. I'm gonna hit you with a fucking handle.
Ow.
I'm gonna lay that damn big noggin of yours wide open. So don't you dare stick your head in this motherfucking room.
20
Minutes later. Cincinnati Bengals. What the? What the hell is that? That's too depressing to me. Oh! Those my damn ears. Shit! Sorry, pardon me language.
No! Fuck no!
Jake! Get your
damn
ass!
ass in here!
Get your ass in here! The hell?
Jake! Jake! Oh, fuck no! Oh, hell! Oh, fuck!
Uh-oh.
Hell no! Shit, no! Jake!
What?
Fucking eyes in here. Get in here.
What?
Look at that shit on my TV you got on my fucking TV.
What is this?
Why are you talking so fast, Granny?
It was girls eating shit. And kissing and eating shit like ice cream. I'm sitting here gagging my fucking eyes off. You get that shit off and you get it off now.
I don't even see anything on your TV.
You probably turned it off, Jake.
Quit it! Ow!
How does that hurt?
Get in here and get it off. Fucking eat shit ice cream cones and oh motherfucker. It is the fucking lock on my door and I'll show you how fucking hot it is. Your ass won't be coming in here putting shit on my motherfucker.
Alright, Granny, well, I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Oh! Holy shit! I'm definitely putting you in an old folks home now.
Get out of my fucking room.
You should have done that a long time ago, Jake.
Hey, it's Kelsey. What's up? I've got some major gas as you.
Turn it off. Turn it. Bed.
Ooh, I got one coming right now.
Oh, fuck no. Jake! Jake! Jake!
Get in here!
Ooh. Feels nice on my
Ah!
Jake! Jake!
What?
Jake!
Get in here!
Jacob!
Get in here!
Jake! Get the fuck in here!
What?
Jacob!
Huh? Zaga's playing good.
God, I'm
Sorry, guys. That was a.
I guess I have to sit down a little
I'm
harder.
gonna kill him. Motherfucker! You watch a tape.
Okay. This is fun.
You open that door, you motherfucker, and I'm gonna knock your brains out. Jake!
Yeah, he ain't coming in there.
You better get the fuck in here.
Right off.
Oh, warning!
High farts out of my butthole.
Son of a bitch. If he, oh, I'm gonna kill him. Motherfucker, I'm gonna kill him.
Granny, what's wrong? Ew! What are you watching? Oh!
Put in our bag or something, bruh.
Get your fucking eyes in here and you turn this shit off.
Ew!
Turn it off.
Ah, what the hell, man?
She's pooping!
Did you put it on there, Jay? What the hell?
This might be the most fun part I've ever done.
She says she thinks this is the
Get your
most...
fucking eyes in here and you turn that son of a bitch off. Now! I'll do it. I'll turn the damn thing off.
Turning
You
my
watch.
butthole.
1, 2, 3. Back it. I ain't watching that fucking shit. There
Granny!
ain't no fucking way.
Granny, what was going on in that video?
I don't know.
That was
don't
weird.
give a shit.
I thought you pressed the-
Work to get it.
I
I'm
thought you
not
pressed the
watching that shit.
unless you pressed the
I'm
dot
sick of
button.
You start that goddamn shit.
Give me a damn cracker.
I'm telling you, I'm locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would
I'm
be...
locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would be...
You won't be allowed in my fucking room.
Granny, I thought that would be...
I'm ready. I thought that was shit.
I thought that would be a perfect video that you could fall asleep to. It's like a nursery rhyme for pooping
What the?
on cakes.
How about that?
Oh!
You lost it! Good night!
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that reaction, and go subscribe to Shandy Gezel, and for requesting the video, and thank you for requesting it. And I'm gonna there's another reaction I gotta do, and it's like the worst free throws in basketball history. And that was requested by Joshua Thermal. I'll give him a shout out on the reaction. And this Hayden Todd, no Scott Tiger 2003 reacts. And Keep subscribe to my channel, and let's keep pounding.